Hey, what's up, traders? So let's have a look for the keyboard shortcuts for the trading tool and what it can give us. So basically we have now everything on the keyboard and it's very simple to use. So I will start with the drawing for the supports. I always had to do it with the clicking this and bringing it to here. Well, right now I want to know what is my support. So I can do it with the keyboard shortcuts and all the time it's drawing where is my cursor. So I will bring my cursor here. I will click the J. It will bring the support, right? Next one I can, for example, do in here and in here. So for example, I have options to draw the supports like this. If I want to delete it, I will simply click to that again as I have it on the keyboard. What is as well cool is that it actually it's putting the time frame on that. So for example, right now I will draw the support. Let's make this one, and it will draw here right here the 240. So we know this support is from the 4 hours, right? If I go to the 1 hour time frame right now and I will draw some support here, let's say this one, and it's, you know, no matter. And so I see this is like from the 60 minutes, this is from 240, right? And I always see it on my charts, 60, 240. Right now, if I will bring another one here, for example, J1, 440, 1440, right? So always I see what time frame the support or resistance is drawn, and what is minus to them. Simply I can then delete them by clicking just delete, OK, or I can delete them one by one, clicking again into it. So this to the supports. Next thing, Fibbo. So right now, let's say I want to draw the Fibbo from this one. I just go here and I click do the F, and it will draw the Fibbo, right? Or from here, F, and I can draw, actually there is an option for the 2 Fibbo, so it's always draw from the last swing to the swing high to the swing low. So I can do it like this, from the swing high, right? So I can see that. And I have only 2 Fibbos, but I think it's enough. So if I draw it from here, it will draw like that, from here like that, right? So it's simply using it on the keyboard F, it's drawing me the Fibbo automatically, right? And if I click near to it and click to the Fibbo again, it disappears. So for example, right now if I draw it like this and I want to enter, let's say on the 50% retracement, and I want to go short, I simply show it, click on the Fibbo, it will brings me the Fibbo, and I will bring the trade and I can adjust it. It's that simple, right? So I can delete it right now. Next thing what I want to show, for example, we want to draw the channel, so it's a shortcut O and P. So I will simply click to the O on my keyboard, it will bring me the channel, and I can adjust it as I want to. So right now I have the channel in here, whatever, for example, like this, right? So next shortcut is these zones, so I can use the number X, the letter X, V, and N, for example, and it's drawing these you know, these rectangles, and as well it's again adding the time frame. So XVN is these rectangles. Always when I just click on it, it will bring it into the where is the price currently right now, right? So you can use the XVN for that. Next one is yes, so this is just this arrow, so it's like a Q. You can see maybe this arrow is like this blue one, but maybe you don't see it properly because right? You can see it here, so you can put the arrow as well. Then the next thing is the shortcut T. If I click T, it will brings me this here, and this is basically very cool because I can write my notes here. So for example, entry on the 50% Fibbo retracement. So I can write my idea in here, and then if I have the Fibbo in here, and I have let's say the sell limit in here with the set, like for example like this, of course with the risk reward, and I have my nodes here in the tier. So it's good because, for example, if I activate my notification, I will receive the notification when the price will come back here, and I will see it's on the Fibbo. I can check what is the price of the average price of the retail shares. I can check if I am on some, let's say, the support resistance, etc. If it's all good, then I can simply click on the trade activated because all the requirements are met, and yeah, and that's it. There is as well some shortcuts which I already shown by the let me delete all again, which I already shown in the previous video. So it's like a B for the buy, it's the S for the sell, D for the delete. For example, next one is if I bring the buy and I click the 7, it will hide the colors. If I will click 8, it will activate the trade. With the 9, it will delete the trade. Here's another thing. So if, for example, you want to bring the buy trade, and then you want to adjust your stop loss, what you can do is to come into this area. You click, you push number 3. It will make and here as well the number 3 2 times, and it will make your stop loss and the target you know, very far, and then you just select where you want to. So for example, I want to have my stop loss here, so I can just measure it like that. I bring the cursor here and I click the number 3 again, and it will adjust the stop loss into here. And then if I want to, for example, adjust my target into here, and I will click the 3 here again, it will adjust it like that. And of course, it's always calculating the lot size. So this is the shortcuts. I think it's very cool. All right.